Good afternoon and welcome at Balgownie Winery Estate here in Bendigo. My company is called GlamXperience and we are in the glamping accommodations. And as you can see, 2 years ago we built 16 tents over here, 11 bell tents, and on the other side you will see 5 safari tents. Today we're going to replace 2 of our bell tents with our new top range bell tents that we just designed and engineered. First we're going to take a look at the older ones. What you can see is a 100% cotton bell tent. It's called the Bell Tent Twin. It's very spacious. They are designed to be a consumer tent for festivals or temporary use, like let's say go camping for 4 weeks and then they will last for 10 years. When you leave them out all year round, like these ones, also in summer, also in winter, it's cost effective, but after 12 months you have to replace it because you see mold getting in there, and if you rent it out, well, you don't want that for your customers. So what we did as GlamXperience, we redesigned it using Australian Canvas with 3 years guarantee, new zippets, highest quality, double roofed, and they will last 5 years or longer, same as our safari tents. Well, a new top range Bell Tent Twin comes in 3 bags. One with all the poles, the metal, which is thicker than the other one, the pegs, as well as the tent itself. The canvas we're using, like I said, even the bag is Australian Razorback Canvas. It's fire retardant and well, you can't compare it with anything else on the market. It's the first Australian bell tent and we're going to put it up now. What we're doing right now is positioning the tent. As you can see, we already have some cables coming in for the air conditioning, so we're going to pull it a little bit to this side and then start by fixing the bottom to this platform. This is the deck for our Bell Tent Twin, 6.6 by 6.6 meters. The tent itself is 6 meters wide, but then you have some space in front of it that you can use as a veranda. Our first step was laying out the bell tent on the floor, as you can see, on the wooden platform. Now we're gonna fix the ground sheet to the platform itself. We use M8 bolts, 6 centimeters long, use a washer, and then just go around and have it nice tension. The whole idea is that the inner floor, when we open it, is nice and flat. You don't have to pull it too hard, just as you can see there's a 90-degree angle going up. So this is what makes it waterproof. Even when there's a lot of water here, no water can get in from the side. Nice straight line. Nice 90 degrees. We're gonna unpack the poles and we're gonna put them all in there. We've got 4 very long ropes, 8 mid and around the 12 very short ones. We're making a knot for the rope like this. Keep a little bit of distance between it, double knot so it's flat. Pull it. You can use a third one if you want to. The 2 should be enough. This is how you do it. Okay. Opening now the front door and the mosquito net door, so it's double door. And then we're gonna put in the poles. can see, heavy duty poles, very heavy duty, reinforced them. What you can see is we're using a Weathermax here. It looks exactly like a canvas, a woven canvas, so it fits perfectly, or it combines perfectly with the bell tent. On the inside it's completely sealed, so waterproof. Same as a PVC, but different look. And we're going to put that over just as an extra cover, especially for autumn and winter. We put the poles in there, not the ropes yet. We turned it a little bit, we put a double roof over it, because otherwise it's just too high, 3.5 meters. And now we're connecting all the ropes to put it on tension, as well as the inner tent as the double roof. As you can see inside, the floor pretty flat. And now, well, you can see the space, 6 by 4 meters, and it's enormous. Important at the front, as you can see, here are the zippers. And when I put this to the ground, there's a lot of tension up here. To prevent that, I want to keep this one open, just nice and flexible. And at the side, instead of using this one to the ground, which pulls too much on the zippers, I'm going to use the elastic over here. You only have to do this with this front opening.
Beautiful. This is the bell tent single. GlamXperience.
Okay, we finished the bell tent twin with the double roof over there. And now we started with the bell tent 5 meters. Again, the ground sheet fixed to the wooden platform. We put in the A-frame just to make work more easy, bigger opening. Now the central pole of this one, I'm going to walk it through the middle, put it up, and then we've got a bell tent 5 meters. There we go, the base. See the floor everywhere good. And we can start fixing it.
So this bell tent is done.